Hello student, warm welcome in this chemistry channel. Here is question. In the reaction P plus 2Q give rise 4R plus 3S. When 1 mole of P and 1 mole of Q are allowed to react to completion of reaction, then all P will be consumed, 4 mole of R will be formed, 2 mole of S will form, all Q will consume. So student, first we write the stoichiometric equation. Stoichiometric equation of the reaction that P, it is in gaseous form, 2Q also in gaseous form, 4R in gaseous form, plus here 3S in liquid form. So here 1 mole of P is used, then 2 moles of Q required, and 4 mole of R formed, 3 mole of S formed. So for consuming 2 mole of Q, we required 1 mole of P. So when we divide half by 2 these, so we got 1 mole of half mole of P, 1 mole of Q, and 2 mole of R, and 3 by 2 mole of S. Here 2 mole when consumed we required 1 mole of P. Here 1 mole required is given. What given? We have given 1 mole of P and 1 mole of Q. So when 1 mole of Q is given, it required only half mole of P to consume. Therefore Q will consume. Q will be consumed completely, okay, and half mole of P remained, okay. So in this option D is correct. All Q will be consumed. All Q will be consumed. All P will be consumed. Not correct, because half of mole of P remained. 4 mole of R will form. No, only 2 mole of R is formed. And when Q is 2 mole of S will form. This is not also correct. So D is correct. All Q will be consumed. So student, in this way we solve this problem. I hope you got it. Please like the video, subscribe the channel, and make comment for any query or doubt. Thanks for watching.